Good afternoon, everyone. It's my great honor to share Sanwa Environment idea with all of you. Here I'd like to introduce with Sanwa Environment idea and some word recycling information from 5 ways. Number 1 is tell out what's the word problem. Number 2 is where's Sanwa from. Number 3 is what can Sanwa do. Number 4, why choose Sanwa. Number 5, who are our clients. Till now in the whole world, everyone meet some word problem, such as waste gas problem and waste water problem and some huge garbage problems. Facing the environment problem, we have some more business and now they produce their new industry about the environment recycling. As you know, environment recycling has passed through 4 ways, from wastewater treatment to waste gas treatment to solid waste treatment and soil and groundwater pollution treatment. With Sanwa, main business is about solid waste recycling. This is nowadays global market share distribution for ISWM. There is some basic information in China about solid waste recycling information. This is some basic information in Japan about solid waste recycling. From previous directly landfill to sanitary landfill to incineration, and now the main industry recycling is for resource relocation and the resource recycle. This is some basic information about waste management in China. This is China Economy Center Shanghai waste recycling information. Here now in Shanghai, about 10,000 tons per day. And next, I'd like to give some basic information about Sanwa. Sanwa Environment is a main company to do some solid waste recycling. We are a joint venture between Japan and China. In Japan, we have about 20 years experience about solid waste recycling. And we have some know-how in Japan. And now our main technology is from Japan and manufactured in China. Now let us introduce what Sanwa can do. Sanwa can do integrate, recycle, and recovery of almost every kind of solid waste. And from the basic proposer, designing, manufacturing, installation, and supervisor, and after service, with Sanwa can supply EPC project. This is basic proposer and system design. We can supply system as per your demand, such as if you want to produce power, we can supply relative system as per your demand. This is manufacturer. This is supervisor and commissioning. This is maintenance. We can do almost every kind of solid waste. This is municipal waste. This is food waste. This is waste appliers. This is waste vehicles. This is construction waste. Almost every kind of solid waste with Sanwa can treat it. This is bulky waste. Now, how does Sanwa do? That is how Sanwa treat all kinds of waste. Number one is MSW sorting. This is the basic system for treat all kinds of waste. This is the key machine for sorting, trauma screen, and the ballistic separator. As for MSW, if you need deep treatment, you can do for RDF. And also can use for gasification and produce power generation. And also can do by anaerobic to produce biogas and then produce power. This is composting. This is plastic recycling. We can do all kinds of plastic such as PP, PS, LDPE, and the PET bottle recycling. This is the key machines, single shaft extruder. The below is high-speed washer. This is waste appliance recycling. This is food waste recycling. In the picture, this is one of our projects. This is bulky waste recycling. In the picture is the crusher. This is construction waste recycling. This is our key machine crusher, hydraulic double shaft crusher. This is double shaft crusher. This is plastic crusher. This is also crusher. This is with Sanwa manufacturing crushing series. Different crusher for MSW, for waste appliers, for plastic, and for waste appliers, and so on. This is also crusher, can be used for plastic and MSW. This is also crusher. This is bag breaker. The machine is mainly used for different kind of MSW. This is our sled conveyor. Can use for MSW with appliers and different kind of solid waste. This is belt conveyor. This is also belt conveyor. This is one of our projects in Vietnam. This is vibrating conveyor. Just now is our conveying series. We can produce different kind of conveyor for different kind of system. This is roller screen. This is trauma screen. This is ballistic separator. This ballistic separator is upgraded from trauma screen. Till now, it's the most advanced screen machine. It's mainly used for different kind of solid waste. This is air separator. This is long phase separator, magnetic separator. Just now, you have seen some separating series from Sanwa, such as trauma screen, ballistic separator, and different kind of magnetic separator. This is screw presser. This machine can be used for MSW and also can be used for plastic. By this, can reduce the moisture below 30%. This is RDF pelletizer. By this machine, we can manufacture the RDF, and then RDF can be used for gasification. This is garbage container. This is also compressor. This is gravity separator. This is washer and the baner. This is single shaft extruder, dryer, and this is product silo. This is cyclone separator. It's pelletizer. This is also washer. Just now, some washing is for plastic recycling. We can supply the from gravity separator to washer to dryer. This is the water, and this is container, and the compressor, and pelletizer. This is also pelletizer. This is STRAND pelletizer. This is for plastic, different kind of plastic, such as PP, PS. This machine is for waste appliers. From recycle machine. And also from remover. This machine also for waste appliers, different waste appliers such as waste freight and waste TV. All the machine is for waste appliers. This is wastewater treatment. This is also crusher. And now I'd like to introduce some basic why can choose Sanwa. Sanwa technology is Japanese technology, and we have strong manufacturing ability. In China, we have two manufacturing factory. One is in Shanghai, another is in Jiangsu province. In Japan, we also have 3 factories for manufacturing different kind of solid waste machine. This is the basic system for solid waste, such as separating, plastic recycling, gasification, RDF, and so on. Every year, Sanwa has more than 20 patents, and we have more than 40 years experience with environment recycling. We have more than 100 projects in the world. We have factory in Shanghai, Jiangsu, and Xi'an, and Tokyo. After Sanwa technology, we can reduce and recycling the solid waste about 90%. With Sanwa compromise, we can supply after service within 48 hours. Generally, when we have plant in some place, we share build or after service office there. Such as in Malaysia, we have planned to build a after sales service here. Here I'd like to introduce our main clients. This is part of our key clients, such as Japan Dowa, such as Japan Central and America Lemla, and Japan Panasonic, and China TCL. This is part of our project. This is in Vietnam. Its capacity is 1,200 tons per day. Its main system including waste sorting, plastic recycling, and composting. This is in China TCL. This is the biggest waste applies recycling almost in the whole world. Its capacity is 4 million sets per year. This is one of China project. Its main system is gasification for power. Its capacity is 1,000 tons per day. This is food waste recycling. Okay, thank you. If anyone have any question, welcome to ask.
Hello, I want to know how about the cost of acquiring this technology compared to other technologies such as incinerator and other that.
As for the cost, in fact, it depends on different system. I want to know what kind of system you are lead, such as a sorting system, gasification system, or others.
So in average, how much about it?
As you know, as for solid waste recycling, it's a much bigger project. In fact, generally, just basic cost is hard to say, but I can give you some basic idea, such as for sorting system, such as its capacity is 500 tons per day. Generally, its FOB Shanghai cost is about USD 1.5 to 2 million US dollar. 1.5 to 2 million US dollar, just the sorting system. Okay.
My name is Mala. I'm from SVAC Recycling, Green Malaysia.
Yeah.
Okay, actually we are looking for some systems over here under government projects. If let's say we need to have some modification on the systems, will your company do for us?
I'm sorry?
If let's say our company need any modification on the system, will your company do for us? On the system, on the recycling system?
Your company, what kind of system?
We are doing Virogreen, actually recycling the whole solid waste.
Solid waste.
Solid waste projects. Yeah. So in Malaysia, so we are doing that in Pulau Pinang, is in the northern side. So if let's say we do have need some kind of system that you have, will you modify for us according to our needs?
Yes, it's our pleasure. As you know, first, at first, you know, we can design all kind of system. Number one, we can supply system for you. Number two, we can update the system for you.
Yeah,
of course, we can do it.
That's why I want to know, because I will give the proposal to my bosses. So I will keep in touch with you. You'll come and visit your booth.
Of course, as for update the system, first we need your previous basic system, and we also need your new aim. And as per your previous system and as per your new aim, our technical person will study your system and will give you specific advice. Of course, maybe later.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Contact. Okay.